Kasper Nyovest's announcement for Fill Up Moses Mabhida Stadium. The date for the very first Fill Up concert outside of Johannesburg has been announced, and the Tsabai are going insane. A beauty Fill Up himself, Kasper Nyovest finally made the announcement this morning, and it's blowing up the internet. In a matter of 4 hours, the announcement video has received over 10,000 interactions from fans. On the 1st of December 2018, Kasper Nyovest will attempt to fill up Moses Mabhida Stadium in Durban, KwaZulu-Natal. The stadium has a capacity of 85,000 people, which is less than the 94,000 seat capacity of FNB Stadium, which Kasper tried to fill up on December 2, 2017. This will be the fourth Fill Up concert after Fill Up the Dome, Fill Up Orlando, and Fill Up FNB Stadium.